Hi, this is Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support, and thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I really appreciate it as always. Well, this week we're going to talk about a little bit of Microsoft Teams, and they've made a recent improvement that is a pretty big deal to us and maybe an organization just like yourself, and that's the ability to view a large number of people in the same meeting on the same screen at the same time. And what I mean by that is when Microsoft Teams, earlier this year, you could only view 4 people on the screen at the same time. So if you're in a meeting of 6, at some point, 2 people would be on the screen, and then if they talked, they would jump onto the screen and then someone would fall off. And then it jumped to 9 people, and now you have the ability to have 49 people all on the screen at the exact same time to give you as much as you can an in-person feel, even though everyone's working virtual for those large meetings. And this is something that caused us to use Zoom for certain meetings instead of using Microsoft Teams. However, that ability is now here on the Microsoft Teams platform for those video chats. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is inside of your video call, click the 3 dots in a row that look like so. It's going to give you a drop-down menu. From that point, all you do is click Large Gallery. Once you have that selected, that gives the ability for the large gallery up to 49 people to be on your screen at the exact same time. So I hope that helps you out, or if you have anything that might be causing you to pull your hair out inside of your business due to your IT, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. You can always reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks always for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much.